Hey y'all. So it has been raining for over 24 hours straight, at least here. And started raining yesterday at 3 o'clock. It's now 3:30, 24 and a half hours. And though we need the rain and it's nice to see everything green, it's catastrophic in some areas. Just not far from here, people are dying and losing everything. Anyways, but we're relatively high and dry up here on the hill. Yeah, we're all safe. We're just hanging out. Our power went out, so I had to hook up the generator, and it kept the beer cold. I don't mean to laugh under such circumstances, but yeah. And then Miss Boots, she kept us entertained the whole time. Where's Teagster? There's the Teagmeister. We're all just chilling, safe and sound. All right, y'all. Hope the same for everybody else out there.